channel. I hope you all are doing great. तो आज काफी टाइम के बाद I'm gonna share with you H&M and Nykaa haul. I'm very excited because till now, to be honest, मैं काफी mindful shopping करने का try कर रही हूँ. I'm only buying which things I feel I really need. And with H&M बहुत बड़ी sale लगी थी, so I was like, I need to get it. So I've got few stuff and also from Nykaa. So without making you guys wait more, let's get into the video. Okay, now the first two things, I got these Vaseline tints. These are like newly launched. I also made a video about them in case you guys want to watch it. I'll give you a link right here. So मैंने इनको थोड़ा stock up कर दिया because I genuinely love them. So this is the aloe one and cocoa butter one. Absolutely love them. Next up, I have Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Basically, this is a concealer. My shade number is 122 Sand, and this is such a beautiful concealer. I use this on everyday basis. This one and the L'Oreal one. So I was like, let me just get this. Okay, so when it comes to makeup and skincare, I only buy if I think I really need them. To be honest, I have a lot of makeup and a lot of skincare, and I keep trying out new products. So I was like, I'll only get things which I really want. Next up I have is the Benefit Posy tint. Okay, I already have a Cha-Cha tint with me which has this coral feel, but then I wanted something pink because the winters are in, so pink cheeks looks really nice. So I got this beautiful tint, और इसका ना काफी cute सा pink color का tint है. I don't know if you guys can see in camera, but then this looks very beautiful on your lips, also on your cheeks. Now because we're talking about skincare and makeup, I just want to tell you guys that whatever we eat now, that shows on our skin. And in gap of every 3 months, my dermat suggests me to take supplements for my hair and my skin both. I started with my skincare supplements, so I thought I should definitely share with you guys, suggested by my dermat. So this is the Skin Collagen Booster from New Herbs, which is a plant-based supplement, and the best part is it's got hyaluronic acid. If you guys know, that's one of my most favorite ingredients. It makes your skin supple and all glowing, younger looking. Now winters are here, our skin is going to look all dry, but to be honest, even when I'm not wearing makeup, you will see my skin is all hydrated and glowing, and I feel all thanks to this product. It has a natural collagen that enhances my skin elasticity. This also got natural antioxidants which helps reducing early signs of aging, and all the ingredients are all natural. It contains super seeds like pumpkin and sunflower which will provide your skin nourishment of essential oils. And the best part is this is gluten-free, non-GMO, soy-free, no artificial colors or flavor. So festive season is here, so I thought I should definitely share with you guys because these things really work. If you guys see, celebrities also have collagen in their daily routine. So yeah, that's why their skin is all glowing and nice and beautiful. So yes, I'll give you the link in the description box below, so definitely check that out. And now let's move on to our haul. Okay, next up I have is the L'Oreal Paris Twisted Micro Essence. You guys know I love this product. It's super light on your skin. एकदम water जैसा texture है. इसकी मैंने काफी videos बना रखी हैं, तो आपको भी आराम से देख सकते हो. I love this product. Next up I have is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This is such a beautiful product. Again, it literally ना अगर आपने वो Believe का Aqua Bomb use किया है, उसका affordable वाला version मुझे ये लगता है, and that's why I always go for this one. Feels like water on your skin. Your skin feels hydrated. और अगर आप इसको रात को लगा के सोना, next day your skin feels so soft and nice. So definitely try this out. Next I have the Nykaa palette, which is basically their conceal and color corrector palette. तो इसमें से shades हैं which I've already started using. This is the Light 01. तो मुझे लगा कि ये contour करने के लिए और conceal करने के लिए काफी अच्छा है. So I got this. And the last thing is one lipstick, which is the Maybelline 265 Caramel Collector, and just love this one because of the festive season, and you guys know I love nudes and browns, so I thought I should definitely get one. So मैंने सिर्फ एक ही lipstick लिया, and now I'm gonna show you what all I got from H&M. But before that, let me tell you कि सब मैंने अपने पैसों से खरीदा है. Nothing is collaborated, so let's go. Okay, so first thing I got these pants which are very comfortable. आजकल जो मेरा style है ना वो काफी comfortable वाली तरफ ज़्यादा चला गया rather than wearing some body hugging clothes. So this is what I got and I love the color. और ऐसे कुछ नाड़ा भी निकल रहा है यहाँ पे, so you can tighten it up. The only thing is this is way too long for me, तो मुझे कट करके छोटा कराना है. And yes, now next up I have this very cute dress. You will see everything ironed because अभी because of COVID हम लोग जाते हैं, जो शॉपिंग करके आते हैं हम लोग सब धोते हैं, आयरन कराते हैं, then we wear it. Okay, next up I have this green dress which I absolutely love. This is so cute. Again आप देख लोगे मैंने काफी comfy clothes लिए हैं. The best thing is I love the neck और इसका because I'm short in height तो इसका length भी ना मुझे perfect आ रहा है. कभी-कभी with dresses that happens है, अगर कुछ काफी लंबी हो जाती है या फिर काफी छोटी दिखती है. So yes, this is just perfect and so cute and adorable. Absolutely love it. मुझे किसी भी चीज की प्राइस याद नहीं है, पर मैंने देखा था कि H&M की ऐप पे ना एक बहुत बड़ी सी सेल लगने वाली है. अगेन नॉट स्पॉन्सर्ड गाइस. अगर आप मेंबर हो तो काफी ऑफ मिलने वाला है इफ यू स्टार्ट शॉपिंग फ्रॉम 5th नवंबर, which I'm not gonna do because मैं ऑलरेडी कर चुकी हूँ, बस आप लोगों को बता रही हूँ. Next up I have this and absolutely love this. जब मैंने ये लिया था ना तो मैंने सोचा था कि हम इसको कितनी अलग-अलग तरीकों से पहन सकते हैं. Like I can just wear this with leggings and belt. I can wear this as a dress also. और मैं इसको as a shrug भी पहन सकती हूँ. तो मुझे लगा कि काफी काम आएगा अलग-अलग चीजों में ले लेती हूँ. The best part is that it feels very comfortable और इसका कपड़ा बहुत ही प्यारा है. So yeah, that's why I got this. Next up I have this dress in yellow color. The color is so nice and vibrant. ये थोड़ा sexy type वाला dress है, not my type to be honest. But I was like okay ले लेते हैं, देखेंगे. Maybe I'll just click pictures. और because you off पे था इसीलिए, so I got this maxi dress which looks very very beautiful. और इसका neck तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर है and just love it. I love how it looks on me also. So I don't know if I'm too comfortable to wear it outside, but I really like it how it looks on me. And yeah, such a nice cute dress. Okay, if you guys know me then आपको पता होगा मैं literally ना H&M की जो shorts होती है उनमें जीती हूँ because every single day I wear these shorts and I got 4 new. उसमें से सिर्फ 2 ही हैं मेरे पास because बाकी दोनों वॉश के लिए गई है. So this one is the first one. First of all they are very very comfortable. और जनरली क्या होता है कि जब हम पैंट्स या कुछ भी शॉर्ट्स वॉर्ट्स ले बेसिकली लोअर्स ले रहे होते हैं तो वी आर नॉट वेरी श्योर कि कौन सा साइज ले. समटाइम पीपल गो वन साइज बिगर, बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट जो भी आपका साइज है, जो आपका टॉप का साइज है वही आपको एग्जैक्टली शॉर्ट्स में आ जाता है. सो दिस इज अ स्मॉल साइज, फिट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबली, लुक्स रियली नाइस एंड बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव दीज. तो वो थोड़ी छोटी थी, ये वाली थोड़ी लॉन्ग है एंड अगेन वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल, लुक्स रियली नाइस, फील्स रियली गुड. और द बेस्ट पार्ट है कि आप इसको कैजुअल में पहन सकते हो. अगर आपको बाहर भी पहनना है तो अपनी स्पेगेटी या प्लेन टॉप्स के साथ पहन सकते हो तो भी बहुत प्यारा लगता है. सो येस आई लव दिस कलर, आई एम इन लव विद दिस ब्लू. आप बताना कि अगर आपको भी ब्लू पसंद है. ओके नाउ जस्ट 2 more things. आई गॉट दिस बेसिक रेड टी शर्ट जिसका ऐसे नॉर्मल बेसिक सा टी शर्ट है, राउंड नेक है एंड फील्स गुड, फील्स रियली सॉफ्ट. ऐसे मेरे पास काफ़ी सारे कलर्स में है बिकॉज अगेन दे मेक वेरी कंफर्टेबल क्लोथ्स टू बी ऑनेस्ट. आई फील I used to shop from only Vera Moda a lot, but now I've stopped. I only shop from H&M because their clothes are very very comfortable. Now the last thing is this. So basically this is a set जो एक्चुअली मैं आप घर पे रात को पहन सकते हो. मैंने नाइट सूट वाले सेक्शन से लिया था पर मैं तो उसको एक बार बाहर ही पहन के जा चुकी हूँ बिकॉज इट लुक्स नाइस. सो येस दीज आर द शॉर्ट्स एंड दिस इज द टॉप. Feels amazing, like so soft and so good. Absolutely love this. So that was all for today. I hope you guys liked it. मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आया इतने टाइम के बाद haul करके and I had so much fun. Okay guys, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.